Good morning, sleepyhead. Did you sleep well? Breakfast is almost ready. Go wash up, okay?
Mom, I had a really bad dream. It was very scary. Can I stay with you?
You are completely safe here with me. I will always look after you.
Jake, you need to make sure your homework is done before you can go outside and play with your friends.
Okay, Dad, I will do it now.
I will, Dad. Here is some water for you, Mom.
I'm okay, Jake.
Just need a moment.
Honey, please tell me what's wrong. We're in this together, okay?
I'm just not feeling very well. It is probably nothing.
I am right here.
Thank you.
I'm calling the doctor right now. We are not taking any chances. Everything is going to be fine.
Are you all right? Let me help you. I'll be here.
Mom, am I really gonna be a good big brother? I'm just scared that I'm not big enough.
Oh, sweetie, you are going to be amazing. Jake, I need you to be my big, brave boy today. Mommy is going to be perfectly fine.
Jake, I am so proud of you. You did a great job today. We make a really good team.
I can do this, Dad. I'm gonna make you really proud.
No matter what happens, I am always here for you.
Grandma, will we always be together like this?
Of course we will, my sweet boy. Everything will be all right, Jake. We will get through this together.
You are not alone. Grandma, when are they gonna get here? I'm really getting worried. Patience, Jake.
They will arrive soon.
But they should be here by now.
Take a deep breath. Just take a deep breath. Everything will be okay. We will figure this out together.
Hey, yeah, everything is going to be okay. The doctor said she just needs some rest now.
Oh, I am so glad to hear that. We were so worried about you. Yes, he is right here. He is safe, Jake.
Grandma, do you think we can go to the park today? They have the biggest slide there. I promise.
I promise I will be very good. Of course we can, sweetie. Come on, Jake, let's get going.
We are gonna have so much fun today.
How much fun today?
Grandma, are we almost there? It is taking really long.
Just a few more minutes, Jake. We are almost there, Jake. Just a few more minutes. Hello! You must be Jake's grandmother. Come right this way. We have everything ready. Excuse me, dear, could you tell us where room 302 is? Of course, just go straight down and it is the second door on your right. Just head straight down this hallway. It is right around the corner. You really can't miss it.
Look at that! There's a big balloon outside.
Oh, what a beautiful color. It is lovely.
Grandma, look! Something is happening. We have to go.
Huh?
We have to go.
Everything will be okay, Jake. The doctors are going to help. You are a very brave boy.
I have to find him. Wait for me.
Whoa, take a breath, Jake. Everything is going to be okay. Slow down, buddy. Your mom is resting and she is doing great.
Dad, is mommy going to be okay? I'm really scared.
It is okay, Jake. We are just here to visit.
Oh, Jake, you don't need to worry. I'll be back home very soon.
Mommy, why are you crying?
Aren't we happy about the baby? Oh, my sweet boy, you are so incredibly brave. We are all waiting for you.
How does the baby get out?
The doctor will help him out. Oh, Jake, we were so worried. But the doctor says you are going to be a big brother.
It is true, buddy.
Wait, is it really true? I'm gonna be a big brother?
Yes, you are, Jake.
Good news, Jake. I just talked to the doctor. We get to go home today.
I was so scared, but I am so glad you and the baby are okay.
Come closer, Jake. I have something to tell you. You are going to be an amazing big brother.
Don't worry, Mom. Everything is going to be okay.
You have always been so brave. We will get through this together.
I understand now. Being strong doesn't mean you're never scared. It means facing things even when you are.
You have always been my greatest joy, Jake, and I am so incredibly proud of you.
I'm gonna be the best big brother ever. I will teach the baby everything. We are gonna have so much fun.